Welcome to SLN Borewell Drillers. We are delighted to have you join our esteemed family of clients. At SLN Borewell Drillers, we are dedicated to providing top-notch borewell drilling services that meet your water sourcing needs efficiently and effectively. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, we assure you that you have made the right choice for your borewell needs. Our team of experts is passionate about delivering reliable and sustainable solutions tailored to your specific requirements. Whether it's for agriculture, residential, or industrial purposes, we are here to serve you with professionalism and dedication. As you embark on this journey with us, expect nothing less than exceptional service, state-of-the-art equipment, and a team that values your satisfaction above all else. Your trust in us is our driving force, and we look forward to exceeding your expectations. Thank you for choosing SLN Borewell Drillers. Together, we will dig deep to ensure your water needs are met with precision and care. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our friendly team. We are here to serve you. Once again, welcome to SLN Borewell Drillers.